Emma had a secret so big, she only trusted one person with it. But the very next morning, the entire school knew everything. Everyone was laughing, pointing, and whispering behind her back.
Yeah.
Her heart shattered into a million tiny pieces in an instant. Just yesterday afternoon, everything between them was completely perfect. Emma and Mia had been inseparable best friends since kindergarten. Mia was always the person Emma trusted most in the world. Emma had been carrying a very personal secret for weeks. Oh no, is she okay? She was extremely nervous to share it with anyone at all. She leaned in close and whispered her biggest secret to Mia.
Oh, yeah, I get it.
Mia listened quietly and promised never to tell a single soul. She swore on their sacred friendship that the secret was safe. Emma felt a huge weight lift right off her shoulders. She went home believing her secret was completely protected. But someone had been hiding in the shadows right behind them. Lily had overheard every single detail of their private conversation. No way! Lily instantly knew this rumor could make her popular overnight. She immediately typed up the entire secret to blast to everyone. The trap was set before Emma even reached her front door. Cruel giggles echoed down the long corridor like loud alarm bells. Lily smirked proudly as her malicious plan unfolded smoothly. Mia approached the crowd, completely unaware of what had happened. Emma felt a burning rush of anger and profound betrayal. How could you tell everyone my secret after you promised? I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to. Emma, I swear, I didn't say a word to anyone. You were the only person who knew. You betrayed me. Emma bolted away before Mia could explain herself any further. Mia stood completely frozen, feeling utterly heartbroken and confused. Lily watched the fight with a cold, satisfied grin on her face. Emma ran until her lungs burned, seeking refuge in the garden. She sank onto the cold bench, sobbing silently into her hands. You okay?
Not really.
What's wrong? Hey Emma, are you okay? I saw what happened inside.
I just don't understand why he would say that.
He didn't mean it, I promise. I just want to be left alone right now, Ethan. I think there's something you really need to know first. This message didn't come from Mia's phone at all. Look closely at the handle. It was sent from a burner account. Wait, if Mia didn't send it, then who could it be? I saw Lily sitting behind the bushes yesterday during recess. Lily was hiding right near our bench yesterday afternoon? Lily was holding her phone and laughing secretly after you left. Oh no. I yelled at Mia without even checking the truth. I made a terrible mistake. I have to find Mia right now. Hurry up! She was heading toward the art classroom. Emma sprinted through the hallway, her heart pounding with remorse. Then she pushed past crowds of students, searching frantically everywhere. The art classroom was silent, except for the soft sound of crying. Mia was sitting in the corner, clutching her yellow hoodie tightly. Mia looked up, surprised to see Emma standing in the doorway. Mia. I am so sorry for blaming you so fast. You really thought I would betray your secret like that? Ethan showed me the message. I know now that Lily overheard us. Lily was listening to us hiding behind the bushes yesterday? True friends always listen before jumping to bad conclusions. Their bond of friendship was instantly restored, stronger than ever. Just then, Lily walked into the art room with a smug grin. Lily stopped dead in her tracks, clearly shocked to see them united. What are you two looking at? Why are you staring at me? We know what you did yesterday behind the garden bushes, Lily. I don't know what you are talking about at all. I saw you typing the message right behind the bench, Lily. The entire secret is out, Lily. Everyone knows the truth now. I am so sorry. I was just jealous of your friendship. I thought if I spread the secret, people would like me more. Spreading rumors never creates real friends, Lily. Honesty does. We forgive you, Lily, but you must apologize to the whole class.
Okay, I will.
I will. I'll post a message right now admitting I lied. I just got accepted.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing!
I know, I can't believe it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course.
Yeah.
The dark clouds over my day have finally cleared away completely.
Ha 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 ha.
She learned that true trust requires open, honest communication, always. Their friendship had faced a hard test and come out even stronger. She felt completely safe, knowing she had a loyal best friend by her side. The playground echoed with laughter, joy, and newfound mutual understanding. Even Lily was welcomed into the circle, as she promised to be honest. Secret stories are safe when protected by true heart-to-heart trust. Never let a single rumor destroy a bond built over many years. True friendship is built on honesty, care, and deep understanding. Together, they walked forward, stronger and wiser than ever before. When misunderstandings happen, always talk openly before judging a friend. Clear communication can heal even the deepest emotional wounds quickly. Trust is the most valuable gift you can give to someone you love.
And I am so grateful for yours.
Every mistake is a chance to learn, forgive, and grow better together. Emma's heart was completely full of joy, peace, and gratitude. Share your feelings, listen carefully, and protect your true friends always. The truth always shines brighter than any shadowy rumor ever can. Honor your promises, speak kindly, and cherish every single friendship day. Always remember that true friendship shines brightest in difficult times. Talk openly, forgive truly, and let honest love guide your heart every day.